karaoke.
Oh, yeah, what, just a week ago, I think.
Oh, well, yeah, we should go. You want to go see Mamma Mia?
Peter, can I speak to you over by the door?
Kitty loves popcorn.
Oh, come on! I give up. We're going to be lower middle class Americans forever. A fate worse than death. Seriously, we may as well just be dead.
You know what, Peter? That's not true. In the time we've spent together, I've learned something. When you're rich, you don't own your possessions. Your possessions own you.
Oh, Carter, darling.
Bam, sweetheart!
Honey, we're rich again. I divorced Ted Turner and took half his money. We own half of CNN.
Hey!
And TNT.
Neat.
All right, buddy, we did it. We're rich.
We? Go to hell, you fat peasant.
Oh, crap.
Peter, listen to me. Money doesn't matter. 10 years ago, Daddy offered to give us $10 million, and